What's up, y'all? Showing a quick video here of my dash. I'm gonna clean it actually here real quick, wash it really good, get all the grease and years of dirt off it and everything, front and back here. So I was gonna paint these metal strips. What I think I might do, this bracing, I think I might just clean it and then maybe take a wire wheel to it and do that. So just clean it up a bit. And then I'm gonna clean the front also too, get it good and clean and ready to paint. So in all these areas here where it was silver before, I'm going to silver line that, or whatever they call that, silver leafing. But this right here, got this off of Amazon, silver leafing pen. They make actually a chrome pen as well, that you can buy from like GM. You can just get it on eBay. This was like 10, 11 bucks. So I'm gonna use that, and after I clean it and everything, and be good to go. So hopefully it turns out pretty good. What else was I gonna say? Oh, I took everything out, the vents, all that stuff. So the vents, I'm actually going to repaint those as well. I'm going to use this one since it's black and it was already cut out for a stereo. So I'm just going to use that for this dash. And what else? That's pretty much it. I just kind of wanted to show you the beginning stages of it before I actually get into cleaning it and painting it. So I'm going to clean it with just regular like dish soap first. Alright, what's cracking, y'all? I'm out here about to start this process of painting this dash. The dash was actually pretty much all black before. It didn't look like this, how it has that white kind of faded area there. When I wiped it down with some alcohol and I sprayed this prep solution on there, I might have let it dry too long, and then it kind of left that white substance on there. I'm hoping when I spray it, it'll make it look a lot better. I did kind of a test run on the inside here because the glove compartment was actually a lot worse. It had a lot of white streaks on there, but I sprayed just one actually small light coat on there, and it actually looks way better, so that makes me happy. So I'm gonna continuing to do it. Supposed to spray on, I'm using this SEM interior trim paint, OEM trim paint. It's supposed to return it back to stock color and finish, and for pretty much your interior pieces. And you spray a light coat, 2 to 3 light coats, and you let it flash about 3 to 5 minutes in between. A little bit colder out here today, about 45 degrees. So I'm probably just gonna let it sit just a few minutes longer and then kind of go from there. So but this is pretty much what it looks like now, and then I'll kind of show you and after. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. It needed to be painted anyway, so, and I got some other smaller pieces over here that I'm kind of painting as well too. So again, I'm using this stuff right here, SEM trim black. The lady at the Westco Auto Paint and Supply said that this is the stuff that you want to use. It matches the OEM color, and it has a adhesion promoter already built into the paint, so or mixed in as well too. So so I don't have to use an adhesion promoter with it because it already has it built in. So anyways, that's what I'm doing now. I'll chime back in when I'm getting this done. All right. All right, y'all. Finished product still in the process of drying. However, it turned out really good. And you can check out the before and after. But man, it turned out really good. I'm happy with it. You can see some wet spots still. That's still drying, and that should settle in as well. But especially right here, it lays differently on this plastic part. I don't know if it's because it's more flat and this is kind of more textured. I don't know, but that'll turn. You see, it's already kind of turning dull in these areas here, so a little bit more satin black. So yeah, that'll get better. But yeah, y'all, I'm happy with it. It looks pretty good. You can't see really any of the old white streaks on it from before. You can kind of tell just a little bit right here, and that's the only area where you can kind of tell. Here I didn't realize there was like some sticky stuff there, but whatever at this point. And then that's a deep scratch. These were holes. I'm assuming somebody was putting gauges there or something. I was gonna fill them in with some spot putty, but with the spot putty you have to sand it down, and I didn't want to risk, and this is already kind of like lifted off from it being screwed in, so it's not totally flush anyway, but I didn't want to risk sanding it and then ruining some of the textured look, and then having it kind of be all spotty, like texture in some areas and flat in others. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm actually gonna put gauges here anyway, like a 3-pod gauge, so that'll be good, and it'll kind of probably hide a lot of those anyway. So, but yeah, I think it turned out pretty damn good. And I have this piece here I painted, and this is the ashtray. I painted that too. So yeah, y'all, that's it. So I'd highly recommend that paint. Works really well, and I'm happy with it. So there it is, before and after. It's gonna look pretty damn good in the Chevelle. All right, y'all, I'll holler at you later. Peace out.